We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer telling us what a great job we did. And now we're happy to share it with you. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to satisfaction. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.